Welcome back to Total Vigor, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of avocados, the creamy, versatile fruit that has taken the culinary world by storm. In this video, we'll explore the nutrition benefits, share some handy tips, and show you how to prepare and enjoy this superfood in delicious ways. Avocados have become a staple in many healthy diets, and for good reason. They are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your overall health and well-being. From their rich, buttery texture to their unique flavor profile, avocados are a true powerhouse of nutrition. When it comes to healthy fats, avocados are a standout star. They are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health and help lower bad cholesterol levels. In addition to healthy fats, avocados are also a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making them a nutrient-dense addition to any meal. In this video, we'll be highlighting the nutritional benefits of avocados, sharing some tips on how to select and store them, and demonstrating a few simple and delicious ways to incorporate avocados into your daily diet. So, whether you're a seasoned avocado enthusiast or a newbie looking to explore this superfood, stick around for some valuable insights and mouth-watering recipes. Let's get started. Selecting the perfect avocado. When it comes to enjoying the perfect avocado, selecting the right one is key. Here are some tips to help you choose a ripe and ready-to-eat avocado for your next culinary creation. First and foremost, look for avocados that yield slightly to gentle pressure when ripe. A ripe avocado should feel firm yet give a little when you apply gentle pressure with your thumb. Avoid avocados that are rock hard, as they are likely unripe and will need more time to ripen. Next, inspect the avocado for any dark blemishes or overly soft spots. These can be signs of bruising or spoilage, indicating that the avocado may be past its prime. A few small blemishes are normal, but large dark spots or mushy areas should be avoided. When it comes to color and feel, pay attention to the avocado skin. A ripe avocado will typically have a dark green to almost black skin color, depending on the variety. Additionally, the skin should feel slightly bumpy and have a slight give when gently squeezed. By following these simple guidelines, you'll be able to select the perfect avocado that is ripe, creamy, and ready to be enjoyed in your favorite dishes. Stay tuned for more tips on how to prepare and incorporate avocados into your meals. Preparing the avocado. Now that you've selected the perfect avocado, it's time to dive into the exciting process of cutting and preparing this delicious fruit. Here are some simple steps to help you master the art of preparing an avocado like a pro. To begin, use a knife to cut the avocado lengthwise around the pit. Start by slicing through the avocado until you hit the pit, then rotate the avocado around the knife to make a complete cut. Be cautious while cutting to avoid any accidents and ensure a clean, even cut. Next, gently twist the two halves of the avocado to separate them and reveal the pit. To remove the pit, carefully insert the knife into the pit and twist to loosen it from the flesh. You can then easily lift the pit out of the avocado with your fingers or a spoon. Once the pit is removed, it's time to scoop out the creamy avocado flesh. Use a spoon to scoop out the flesh in one piece or slice it directly in the skin for easy removal. The choice is yours, depending on how you plan to use the avocado in your dishes. Whether you're making guacamole, adding slices to a salad, or topping your toast with avocado, mastering the art of preparing an avocado will elevate your culinary creations to a whole new level. Stay tuned for more tips on how to enjoy avocados in delicious and creative ways. Nutritional benefits of avocado. Avocados are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making them a valuable addition to any diet. Let's explore the numerous health benefits of incorporating avocados into your meals and snacks. First and foremost, avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. The monounsaturated fats found in avocados can help improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, the fiber content in avocados can aid in digestion, promote satiety, and support overall gut health. In addition to their heart-healthy fats and fiber, avocados are packed with an array of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and folate. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining various bodily functions, such as supporting bone health, boosting immunity, and promoting healthy skin. Furthermore, the versatility of avocados makes them a fantastic ingredient for enhancing the nutritional value of meals. Whether mashed into guacamole, sliced onto salads, or blended into smoothies, avocados can add a creamy texture and rich flavor while providing a nutrient boost to your dishes. By incorporating avocados into your diet regularly, you can reap the numerous health benefits they offer and enjoy a delicious way to nourish your body. Stay tuned for more tips on how to enjoy avocados in creative and nutritious ways. Creative avocado recipes. Are you looking to elevate your culinary game and add a touch of creamy goodness to your meals? Look no further than avocados. Let's explore some creative and mouth-watering recipes that showcase the versatility and deliciousness of this superfood. One popular and versatile way to enjoy avocados is by making avocado toast. Get creative with your toppings and seasonings by adding ingredients like cherry tomatoes, feta cheese, smoked salmon, or a sprinkle of chili flakes. The possibilities are endless, and avocado toast makes for a satisfying and nutritious meal or snack. For a refreshing and nutrient-packed treat, try blending avocados into smoothies. The creamy texture of avocados pairs well with fruits like bananas, berries, and mangoes, creating a luscious and satisfying drink. Add some spinach or kale for an extra boost of greens and nutrients. Avocados can also be a star ingredient in salads, adding a creamy element to your greens. Experiment with avocado salads by combining them with ingredients like grilled chicken, quinoa, roasted vegetables, and a zesty dressing for a vibrant and satisfying meal. And don't forget about desserts. Avocados can be used to create creamy and indulgent treats like avocado chocolate mousse or avocado ice cream. These desserts are not only delicious but also a healthier alternative to traditional sweets. By combining avocados with a variety of fresh and flavorful ingredients, you can create vibrant, nutritious, and delicious dishes that will impress your taste buds and nourish your body. Get creative in the kitchen and explore the endless possibilities of incorporating avocados into your meals. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of avocados, let's recap the key points discussed in this video and inspire you to embark on your own avocado culinary adventures. We've delved into the nutritional benefits of avocados, highlighting their rich content of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can support heart health, digestion, and overall well-being. We've also shared valuable tips on selecting, preparing, and incorporating avocados into your meals to maximize their flavor and nutritional value. Now, it's your turn to get creative in the kitchen. We encourage you to try out new avocado recipes, whether it's experimenting with avocado toast toppings, blending up a creamy avocado smoothie, or crafting a vibrant avocado salad. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and explore the endless possibilities of incorporating avocados into your culinary creations. We'd love to hear about your avocado adventures. Share your experiences, recipes, and feedback in the comments below. Your engagement and feedback are invaluable to us, and we can't wait to hear about your avocado-inspired dishes. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content on healthy eating, nutrition tips, and delicious recipes. Join our community of food enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals as we embark on a flavorful and nourishing journey together. Thank you for watching, and happy avocado eating!